How to remove passcode from iPhone. Try the following methods. Method 1. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Face ID, and Passcode or Touch ID in Passcode option. On the Enter Passcode screen, enter your current iPhone passcode. Tap Turn Passcode Off option and confirm your choice. And you will find that you turn off iPhone passcode successfully. Method 2. If you do not know currently screen passcode, and you can use iTunes, the cloud and the professional iPhone unlocker to help you remove passcode from iPhone. If you are wondering about how to remove passcode from iPhone when locked, this is a good way. When you use iTunes, it would help you remove passcode from iPhone through Restore iPhone to Factory Settings. When you use a cloud, it would help you remove iPhone passcode through Find My iPhone app to erase all the iPhone data and content. If you use the professional iPhone unlocker such as Joyoshare Passcode Unlocker, it can help you remove passcode from iPhone without Apple ID. It is also very easy to use. Run Joyoshare Passcode Unlocker on computer. Put the locked iPhone in DFU or recovery mode and connect it to the computer. Select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click the Start button to continue. Download firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare Passcode Unlocker will start to remove passcode on iPhone.